Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. India Budgets here. In today's video, I will be cash stuffing paycheck number 2 of June. So let's get right into the video. As usual, I'm going to be starting with my cash envelope binder, Lady Lav. What is on here? I've been showing Lady Lav off to people in regards to like the sinking funds, budgeting. And it's really cool because I was at the Juneteenth event and over the weekend, and I was talking to one of the women at the booth, and she was asking me about the sinking funds and like how I budget. And so I was explaining to her like what I do, how I use it, and I showed her like the binders that I use on Amazon. And it was really cool because she sent me a message and was like, I got my A6 binder. So that's always cool when people are starting their budgeting journeys. Anywho, as you can see, some of my envelopes still have cash in them because, as you all know, I'm trying to pay off my car, and I am just one payment away from paying off my vehicle. So I haven't really been doing a lot of spending like that. So groceries is going to get $75, but I am going to need to go to the grocery store soon. So I just want to make sure I am putting what I need in the envelope so that when I do go, I have what I need. So groceries now have $150, $75. So $175 in groceries. Okay, gas. This actually, I'm going to actually take this out. So it was $80 in there, and I actually used my card to pay for the gas. So I'm going to put this back to the bank. Why is there a 20 missing? I don't know. I probably needed a 20 for something and didn't have the cash on me, so I took it out of gas. But anyways, gas is going to get $80 because it's now costs $80 to fill up my gas tank. And I think $80 is the most I have ever paid to fill up my gas tank. So 20, 40, 60, $80. All right, laundry still has $10 left. So I'm going to add $3 to laundry so that I can put it back at its regular $13. So that makes 10, 11, 12, 13 in laundry. All right, on to eat out. I'm not going to worry about eat out too much because I have been eating out a little bit more, maybe like once a week for like the last couple of months, but that is actually getting ready to change. And so I won't be eating out as much. I'm a fan of cooking at home, but just in case, I'm just going to put $25 in here. So my eat out envelope is going to get $25 as a just in case. All right, Spinny is going to get $50. Okay, there it goes, back on track. All right, so Spinny is going to get $50. So let me know if you have any plans this weekend or even 4th of July, because I probably won't have another video up before the 4th of July because we are already like pretty much at the end of June. So let me know down in the comments, like what are you and your family, or what do you all do for 4th of July? And that is going to be it for my cash envelope binder, Lady Lav. So let's go ahead and move on to Rainbow. All right, Harlem, she gets her $25. This Rainbow binder is super thick. And I haven't done a condensing in a while, so I probably should do that. All right, so Harlem got her $25. So let's see how much she has now. Harlem has 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 375, 380, 385, 86, 87. All right. So 387 for Miss Harlem. Travel is going to get $90 because I will be traveling soon. So I just want to put some money in there. 20, 40. So let's see what's in travel. Travel now has 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 315, 316, 317, 318. So $318 in travel. All right, car maintenance is not going to get anything, but I need to go get my tires checked because on my driver's side tire, there's like, it looks like there's a bubble in the tire. I've never seen that before, but I want to go get it checked out because I would hate for me to be driving and that thing just pops. No, ma'am. All right, so gifts is not going to get anything. Personal development, nothing. Vending, I don't think I'm stuffing anything else in here. I'm not. So that is it for Rainbow. Rainbow is thick though. All right, so moving on to my Under the Sea binder. India is going to get $50. So India now has 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 25, 26, 27. So $827. So like I mentioned previously, I am one payment away from paying my car off. And it's funny because there's a part of me that's like, oh, go buy yourself something. But it's like, why would I spend more money? So we'll see what I'm going to do for myself after I pay it off. I'll probably do nothing because I'm just going to be excited that my car is paid off. So my debt is going to get $150. So debt now has 100, 150, 200, 225. So $225 on debt, which will go on my credit card. Beauty is going to get $100. 20, 40, 60, 80. $100 goes into beauty. I'm trying to make sure I keep beauty stocked so that when it's time to get my nails done, I'm not using my own money. I'm actually using the money out of beauty. So I went and got my nails done again. Last video that I did, my nails was blue. These are now pink and yellow. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. All right, so next is going to be health. And health gets $1. $1 for health. So health now has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, $41. All right. And my emergency fund is also going to get $1. So my emergency fund now has 1,000, 2,000, 21, 21.50, 21.70. Why am I doing it like that? 21.70, 21.90, 22.10, 22.30, 22.50, 22.70, 22.80, 22.90, 2300, 10, 15, 16. So 23.16 in emergency. And that is everything that I'm going to be stuffing for this cash stuffing for my June paycheck number 2. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.